G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Skies are starting to clear through most of the state, but of course in true North Queensland fashion, the showers will keep falling up here indefinitely. May as well embrace it. Topaz had the highest overnight rainfall, 36 millimetres, 30 mils at the Boulders. South Johnston had 24 mils and Mount Sophia 20. Today's top temperatures in Cairns was 27 degrees after a low of 20 early this morning. Most other stations were comparably close to average. Let's look at the satellite loop now. Compared to yesterday, it was a lot more cloudy today along the eastern seaboard and even extending inland a little bit. The showers haven't been too prevalent though. Again, mostly concentrated on the North Tropical Coast and a few of the more exposed locations along the east coast, like the Whitsundays and Fraser Island. On today's charts, we've got a collapsing ridge, you could call it. You have this little blob of high pressure that's broken off the main system further south, and it's starting to reduce the winds at least over southern Queensland in preparation for what looks like a calmer day tomorrow. But just on today's chart, we've still got those southeasterly trades, and in particular, this low that's off the chart north of New Zealand is generating a vigorous swell that's reaching southern coast beaches as hazardous surf. On tomorrow's chart, the hazardous surf continues for another day, and there's a warning for that. Notice that the winds drop off in the vicinity of this high, so there'll be some morning fog around, but there'll be too much dry air for this trough to generate any showers or storms. On the outlook chart, the next southwesterly change comes through, cooling things down on Friday. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Cairns waters, south to southeast winds 15 to 20 knots tomorrow with a 2-metre swell outside the reef. Same winds of 15 to 20 knots for both Thursday and Friday. Full moon tomorrow, and we know what that means. The tidal swing reaches its peak with a big high tide in the morning and an even bigger one at night. North Tropical Coast and Tablelands, showers tomorrow after some early fog. Cairns will reach 26 degrees under cloud, 20 for Atherton, Innisfail 25 and Mareeba 23. Looking ahead for Cairns, weather systems sweeping across southern Australia won't affect us this far north. So for us, it's just a week of random showers with tops around 26, 27. For Atherton, the showers will come and go as well, more in the form of drizzle. Tops much cooler though, around that 20 to 21 degree, maybe 22 mark. I do have a soft spot for a good storm photo, and this one's certainly in that category. Approaching Fraser Island from the west, this storm dumped 33 millimetres in under an hour at Riverheads. I love the pastoral contrast of green and grey. Courtesy Stephen Lee for that photo. Thanks, Stephen. A delightful evening to one and all, and now it's back to the team.
Lovely, thanks for that, Livio. And that's all from us for this Tuesday. Thanks for your company.
And of course, you can watch us anytime on 7plus or catch up on our page on 7news.com.au. See you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.
On 7 News tonight, shops in darkness, cars in traffic.